Relax. I'm going to raise your leg and try to find out what the areas are tight. Relax, loose, don't do anything. Fine. Ankylosing spondylitis is not just about a stiff spine, it's about how the stiffness changes everything. Your breathing, your posture, even your digestion and circulation. So in AS, the spine becoming like fuse, becoming like rigid like bamboo-like structure. This leads to stooped posture and restricted movement. So if you look closely, all those patients who has this stooping posture, that leads to a lot of tightness in the linea alba, the front side of your belly muscle. There is a soft tissue which we call linea alba, which affecting your core tension. And when the linea alba is tight, your diaphragm cannot expand fully. So that means your breathing becoming shallow and your lungs does not fully inflate. So as a result, your cardiac output drops, fatigueness increase, and your system struggles. And it does not stop there. Tight hip flexure, overworked hamstring, weak glutes, that imbalance spread across the body. Even the pectoralis minor muscles tightness, pulling your shoulder forward and to compress your neck muscles and nerves also. So this forward head posture shift the cranial mechanism also, like when your occiput going into flexion and it create sphenoid into extension, and sometimes that cranial motion got stuck. So this stooping posture create excessive occiput flexion, which leads to some other complication also. Like this cranial imbalance can affect not just your neck, but your entire autonomic system, mood, and even sleep also. So through visceral and cranial osteopathy, we work with those deep structure, and if there is some restriction, we just try to release those restrictions. So not just the joints, but the organ, fascia, and the rhythm of your body. Remember, stiffness on the outside often begins from within. So osteopathy helps in restore mobility, breath, and balance to your entire body and every system. Just focus on your breathing. Done. Too much painful?
थोड़ा बहुत है ही है.
This was that linea alba which I was talking about. Now I'm introducing my centric, which is holding your small intestine. Another part also.
much for you.